Yep.
Okay, the top is now off.
Now you gotta get the can out. So much for it's not easy to take out.
It came right out.
Now you gotta peel the...
Put the lid back on.
Wait a minute.
No, that's okay. That's okay.
Poke holes in this?
No, hold on. You gotta take the queen out.
Oh, wait a minute. There's no holes in that. Oh, yeah, there are. Okay.
So you gotta take the staple out of the queen's cage.
Just pull the plastic tab, it'll split.
There you go. Shake them off. Shake them off. Into the thing.
I actually want to see this one.
Put the lid back on. It's not it should fall around in it.
I don't see it. That doesn't even seem Look at this little fraction. Do you see it?
Yeah, she's there.
Let me see.
That's it, right there. There's 4 attendants in there with her.
Okay, so now.
So she's the big one right there.
Oh, she ain't that much bigger than really.
So this is the candy end. So you want to get the cork out of that end.
Oh, they said she's. Wait a minute. Oh, no, we don't want to lose her though.
Well, you're not going to lose her. There's candy in the end. It's still plugged up.
Stop. You're rushing.
Don't rush. Now squeeze the frames together around her.
Right. Okay. Wait a minute.
Yep.
Okay, good.
Squeeze it in. Nice and tight.
I'm gonna put this one over.
And move them all over. Good.
Okay,
So you hold her in nice and tight.
right,
I think we got her.
right.
Okay. All nice and tight. Okay, so now you want to put that extra box on top.
Put that on, and we'll move this
Yeah.
temporarily.
Okay.
We'll put that here. So we can.
Spray them some more.
Yes. He said do it hard, it's not going to hurt him.
You think I did it hard enough?
Do one more time. Good.
You want to dump them in? They're yours.
Yeah, let me dump it.
Hey, pour them right over the queen.
Right. Whoa.
There you go. That's good. Now,
You
he said just nestle it down. And he said you'll feel them move out of the way. Don't press it down.
I'm not.
Press it.
But it's not angled. Okay.
Okay, put the top cover on.
What, behind you?
The inside cover.
Really, this goes on?
Yep.
Okay. Give me that. This doesn't really fit that well.
There you go. Leave them be. You're done.
Leave them be.